Good morning, class 4, and welcome back to the class once again. And today we will continue the question answers after I hope you have done word meanings and hard words. So today we will continue the question and answer of your chapter number 3, Ilias. So first question is, first we have to open page number 38, and page number 38 means question number 1, A part. Ilyas turned wealthy within a few years after his father's death. What was the reason behind this? कि जो इलियास था वो कुछ ही मंथ्स में, कुछ ही ईयर्स में, एक्चुअली कुछ ही साल में अपने फादर की डेथ के बाद बहुत पैसे वाला अमीर आदमी बन गया. तो व्हाट वाज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस? उसके पीछे क्या रीजन था? तो व्हाट वाज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस? तो इसका रीजन यही था कि ही वाज अ गुड मैनेजर एंड द हार्ड वर्क. ए पार्ट, आंसर 1, इलियास was a good manager. Ilyas was a good manager, and the hard work that he and his wife put in made him wealthy. And the hard work that and the hard work that he and his wife put in made him healthy. Put in made them wealthy. Made them wealthy. Sorry, I have slipped my tongue. I've said wealthy instead of I said healthy instead of wealthy. So that is wealthy. The next one is, how did Ilyas treat the visitors who came to meet him? How did Ilyas treat the visitor who came to meet him? जो इलियास था वो किस तरीके से जो विजिटर्स आते थे उसके यहाँ मिलने के लिए उनको ट्रीट करता था. तो द इलियास वेलकम द विजिटर्स एंड गेव देम फूड. इलियास welcomed the visitors and gave them food. Ilyas welcomed the visitors and gave them food. Yes, welcome. Then answer number 3 is, question number 3 is, how did the sons of Ilyas change when he grew wealthy? How did the sons of Ilyas change when he grew wealthy? कि जो इलियास के बेटे थे वो कैसे चेंज हो गए जब वो पैसे वाला हुआ. The sons became spoiled. The sons became spoiled. The sons became spoiled, and the elder one became ill-tempered and quarrelsome. While the elder one became ill-tempered, became quarrelsome or ill-tempered, became ill-tempered, and younger one became and while the younger one became while tempered while the younger one became disobedient. Became disobedient मतलब वो बात नहीं मानता था. ठीक है. जो बड़ा बेटा था वो इल टेम्पर्ड था, मतलब बहुत जल्दी उसे गुस्सा आ जाता था, और जो छोटा बेटा था वो बात नहीं मानता था. He became disobedient. The next one is who came to meet Muhammad Shah and why were they surprised? कि जो मोहम्मद शाह से कौन मिलने आया था? Some relatives came to meet Muhammad Shah. So you have to write answer. Fourth, who came to meet Muhammad Shah? Who came to meet Muhammad Shah? So you will write some visitors. Fourth one, some visitors came to meet Muhammad Shah. Muhammad Shah. And next one is Muhammad Shah. And next question is who came to meet and why? Why were they surprised? They were surprised that they were surprised to see the condition of Ilyas and his wife. So this is the answer number 4. And next move on to the tick the correct option. Ilyas gave his son a house and some cattle, nothing, only a house, all that he had. Or Ilyas gave his son a house and some cattle. So this is the correct answer, a house and some cattle. Then second one is when Ilyas and his wife grew old, there was no one to look after them. Yes, there was no one to look after them. जब वो दोनों बूढ़े हुए तो कोई भी नहीं था उनकी देखभाल करने के लिए. And fill in the blanks with suitable words. Ilyas had only 7 mares, cows, score. So you will write Ilyas had only Ilyas had only 7 mares at the death of after the death of his father, Ilyas's father. What he had, Ilyas had only 7 mares, cows, and score of sheep. So Ilyas had only fill-ups है ये आपके fill-ups हैं. First one is this is the C part. So first one is 7 mares, right? Ilyas had only 7 mares, cows, and score of sheep. 7 mares, cows, score, and a score of sheep. Then second fill-up is the elder son of Ilyas died in a brawl. जो एल्डर सन था उसका इलियास का वो ब्रॉल में उसकी डेथ हो गई थी. एंड द यंगेस्ट सन स्टॉप्ड ओबेइंग हिम. सो ब्रॉल एंड ओबेइंग. फर्स्ट में आपको लिखना है ब्रॉल एंड सेकंड वन इज ओबेइंग. थर्ड वन इज Ilyas and his wife dash became old and poor. Ilyas and his wife left alone. And fourth one is when in old age Ilyas and his wife worked dash for Muhammad Shah who looked after them. when in old age Ilyas and wife as laborers, as laborers, एज लेबरर्स की तरह वो वहाँ पे काम कर रहे थे, कहाँ पे, मोहम्मद शाह के घर पे, जब वो बूढ़े हो गए थे. तो एज लेबरर्स, दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ फोर्थ फिलअप. So these are the answers for today. I'll tell you the answer of D part tomorrow, and one more thing is your answer with reference to the context. I will tell you the answers of these tomorrow, and I hope you have done all the questions, and whatever the queries you are raising from related to this chapter, you can ask me on WhatsApp group, class WhatsApp group. Thank you for today, and thank you for watching.